Hey, so we wanted to show you guys, we had a driver come in with a complaint about vibration, and Jose's checking the drive shaft, so we wanted to show you guys.
First things first, look at this. Rust. That's always a bad sign. And the seal on the U-joint is busted.
Give me your flashlight.
These are the sealed drive lines, so these don't, they're pre-assembled with grease, so they're not greasable.
Yeah.
So this is really fucking it up right here.
Yeah.
And also on the splines, it's worn out.
Yeah, do it one more time. I want to show the plate. Yeah, you can see right here.
Also, we got some wear on the power divider as well.
What do you see over there?
Look at it. The bearings on the power divider.
Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna have to drop it and...
Yeah, put new bearings in there, reshim it, and it should be good to go. If there's any gears that need to be replaced, we'll swap them out.
All good? We're trying to figure out what song you're playing. I'm trying to think if we have any. I think we should have some. That's what's gonna happen. The vibration, sometimes you're gonna see. Check your drive shaft, your center bearing. See if how's the center bearing?
It's recently replaced, but it looks like the bearing's locked up on it.
Really?
It's brand new, dude. You can see that there's rubber right here. It's spinning in there. So we're gonna have to drop this and inspect the center bearing.
Yeah. Well, it's a good thing we have a lot of those parts in our storage. So check your drive shaft and your power divider when you see vibration, when you feel vibration. All right, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, share. Talk to you soon.